After months of drama, it is finally getting obvious even for the courts that the SEC lawsuit is a scam due to new documents by Ripple. What do these documents release? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. But first, we are giving away 50 XRP coins at the end of the month to one random subscriber to start on their XRP journey. All you need to do is to like the video, subscribe and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Welcome back XRP Army. The price of XRP has increased substantially in the wake of reports that soon-to-be unsealed files expose a crucial flaw in the SEC case against Ripple, causing the cryptocurrency to soar. The price of XRP, the cryptocurrency used by Ripple, has climbed by more than 30% in the last week as a result of an order by a federal court judge in New York to unseal information pertaining to the business, which was issued last week. Market participants anticipated that the currently sealed court documents would indicate that the cryptocurrency business had received legal advice from an independent law firm, which determined that XRP did not qualify as a type of investment. Following the publication of these documents, according to Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty, once released, these documents will demonstrate that in 2012, Ripple received a legal analysis stating that XRP was not an investment contract. It is perplexing that it took the SEC 8 years to even suggest that they disagreed with that view, during which time XRP traded on a massive global market, to express their disagreement. By the way, did you know about this document? Let us know in the comment section down below. A xrpl has also been filed by Ripple in response to the SEC motion to strike the fair notice affirmative defense. The xrpl challenges the SEC inappropriate request for judicial notice as well as the SEC misleading characterization of its prior enforcement actions. Among other things, when the SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple, it stated that Ripple's fair notice defense failed, since the SEC had already brought more than 70 cases that subjected other digital assets to the application of the federal securities laws before filing its lawsuit against Ripple. Additionally cited by the SEC was a May 2021 study by Cornerstone Research, which was published after Ripple filed its opposition brief and in which the firm recommended that the court take judicial notice of the SEC allegations, which the report referred to as cryptocurrency enforcement actions, which were described as such in the report. Comment, XRP Army, if you believe this will finally bring the win for Ripple. When asked for a comment, Ripple responded that a xrpl is amply justified here, in order to address the SEC inappropriately premature request that this court conclude, on the basis of fact, that market participants had reasonable notice that XRP would be considered a security, was inappropriately premature. None of those cases alleged a violation of Section 5's registration requirements for a sale of digital assets outside the context of an ICO, the Ripple legal team continued. The enforcement actions mentioned in the report, according to the Ripple legal team, do not actually support the SEC's argument in the first place. The court should deny the SEC request for judicial notice and should disregard the SEC attempt to rely on disputed facts to foreclose a legally cognizable defense, the court wrote in its decision. Ultimately, the company believes that the Cornerstone report should not be taken into consideration because the facts contained within it are not undisputed. And if the court were to consider the cases mentioned in the report, they would find that Ripple, rather than the SEC, is operating within the bounds of the law. According to Exhibit A, the 75 cryptocurrency enforcement actions covered by the Cornerstone report are grouped into 3 categories: alleged unregistered sale of securities, based on sale of digital assets, and outside the ICO context. According to the SEC, there has only been one cryptocurrency litigation that falls under all 3 categories, proving that none of those cases alleged a violation of Section 5's registration requirements for a sale of digital assets outside of the context of an ICO, which is right. However, while Jeremy Hogan agreed with the prognosis that the fair notice argument would be upheld by the court, the attorney strongly disagreed with the statement that the charges against Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen would not be dismissed. Defendants Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen argued that there is no reasonable accusation against them that the co-founders knew or were reckless in their failure to notice that Ripple was in violation of Section 5 or behaving unlawfully, and that the allegations against them are unfounded. This motion also claims, among other things, that the SEC first charge fails since the SEC does not allege that their personal offers or sales of XRP occurred in the United States, a contention supported by the motion. Even if their conduct in the United States were significant, the transactions in question are principally of an international character, and as a result, they are not covered by Section 5 of the FDCA. In fact, the Chris Larson email thread is about the sale of XRP in a nation other than the one where it was purchased. Although it is uncertain whether or not the SEC has any evidence against Ripple and the individual defendants that is relevant to the SEC power, the evidence that the SEC does have is ambiguous. A J.P. Morgan report, meanwhile, argued that a lack of partners on the Ripple network who utilize XRP for cross-border payments is one of the reasons why XRP and Bitcoin are so closely associated. Some critics have expressed concern that the material is out of date. Do you agree that this is great news? If yes, then make sure to like this video. The good news is that these favorable court verdicts are now being reflected in the movements of the stock market as well. In any case, today's Ripple price analysis is quite murky, and analysts expect that the market will reverse direction around the 90 cents level. Contrary to this, the XRP-USD pair may be approaching the formation of a new bottom, which would imply that the price is likely to surge once again after having fallen from recent highs. Ripple's market capitalization has climbed in recent days, with the price of the cryptocurrency climbing to almost 88 cents before plummeting to the 83 cents level on Friday. Ripple's market capitalization has increased in recent days, as has the price of the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is up 5.62% on the day, while the XRP-BTC trading pair is also up 5.62% when compared to Bitcoin, according to CoinMarketCap. According to cryptocurrency experts, this is only the beginning of a long-term rising trend, which they expect to continue in the coming days. While this is taking place, the XRP-ETH trading pair has risen 6.83% in value. After seeing a recent spike in value, Ripple has recaptured its place as the world's sixth largest cryptocurrency in terms of total market capitalization. In terms of market valuation, XRP has now exceeded both Cardano and Solana, which were formerly the top two coins. As predicted, market observers expect the price of Ripple, XRP, will rebound to its previous high of $1 over the next several weeks. As a result, the price of Ripple is growing as traders look for opportunities to profit from the current trend, which is favorable for the cryptocurrency. Following a recent gain in the market capitalization, it is anticipated that the trend will continue over the next several days. The SEC versus Ripple confrontation has failed to produce tangible results, but the events surrounding it have still been a boon for XRP investors. So the current revelation is seen as a fundamentally positive development, and speculators are flocking to the Ripple cryptocurrency in large numbers. What do you think about Ripple? Is the case finally won due to the new documents? Let us know in the comment section. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.